A venturimetre is a device used for measuring the rate of flow of an incompressible fluid flowing through a pipe. It is based on Bernoulli's theorem and was built by Italian physicist Giovanni Battista Venturi in 1797. A venturimetre is placed in a pipe carrying the fluid whose flow rate is to be measured. The pressure drop occurs between the entrance and throat of the venturimetre is measured using the manometer. A venturimetre consists of three parts: converging part, throat, and the diverging part. The entry of the venture is cylindrical in shape to match the size of the pipe. This enables the venture to be fitted to the pipe. At the entry and throat of the venturimetre, two openings are provided to attach a U-tube manometer. The fluid enters the entry section with a pressure P1. The fluid flows into the converging section and its pressure keeps on reducing and decreases to a minimum value P2 as it enters into the throat. The manometer records the pressure difference as P1 minus P2, which indicates the flow rate of the fluid. When fluid reaches to the diverging section, it regains its pressure and its kinetic energy. By measuring the two pressures, velocity of the fluid can be calculated. Venturimeter has been successfully applied in various fields such as industrial fields and scientific research, in the water purification technology, in crude oil pipelines, in carburetors to measure airflow in a car engine, and to measure the airflow in jet engines.